Another part of the brain that is also estrogen dependent is the amygdala, which is responsible for the psychological well-being and sexuality. This is important because any drop, again, in your estrogen levels may decrease libido and may lead you to having low self-esteem, low sense of well-being, and, of course, low sexual drive. The menopausal moods that you experience will resemble a roller coaster ride, where the mood swings from elation to despondency are very common. Sometimes tasks that used to be easy to handle now leave you in total disarray. Iiyak na lang kayo kasi you just get frustrated. Sometimes, women will even describe subtle sensations of trembling. Hindi nyo naiintindihan bakit kayo nanenervyos. You can't understand why you are feeling uneasy. And sometimes, you don't understand why biglang wala kayong ganang pumasok. Para kayong nilalagnat. Like you're just having a fever when in fact, you're not even sick.